So, hi everyone. You can speak the English. So, try this. These are the important. So, we can speak the English with the fluency. Do you think? Yeah, yes, we can, guys. So, do this. If you speak in the English, we can. These are the mistakes we are doing, guys. So, if you speaking the English, the simple sentence, you forgot that, like, I'm not speaking the good at English. So, how can I speaking the English? So these are the we are thinking, guys. So hereafter, don't think like that. Yeah, we can speak the English. So in this video, we gonna discuss about like how we can the communication skills improvement. How we have the speak like fluency. If you haven't the fluency, so these are the try you can do the some of the fluency you can still the got easily. So try this the first one. I will share some of the five tips, guys. So the first of all, you should speak slowly, guys. If you speaking the English slowly, yeah, you can speak the fluency. Yeah, you having the time to thinking the what is the word you can speak after the word the what the content you should speaking. So these are the important, guys. So first of all, you should slowly speak, guys. After that, the second, in my suggestion, so go on to listening, guys. So much of English content consuming, so much of the movies watching for understanding. If you initially that is not understanding everyone, so you put on the video. So the complete video you completed the watches after you repeatedly the watch same same video, guys. If you some of the word, yeah, you can understand it. Yeah, you can use it those words. And also these are the important, guys. The first of all you can speak slowly. After that the lesson is the important. After that that one is the practice is the most important, guys. So if you haven't the some of the word you were struggling, so I'm also initially, I'm also speaking in front of the video, in front of the mobile. It's a embarrassing. So I feel like, how can I do like, how can I make videos for those people? Like, I'm also a beginner, but I'm also practice my communication skills. How can I make it? I can do that. Like, I'm also thinking myself. Yeah, yeah, can I do that? So I'm also asking myself, but after that I did, yeah. So I'm also practicing the every day. So you should the practicing like at least the 5 to 10 minutes, guys. So that is the important, my opinion. So the fourth one it is the reading, guys. You with some of the newspaper or some of the stories. So if you have the book, guys, book, you have the very school books or the any story books we have. So please, those books are the reading, guys. The reading is very important because of you like so much of the word we reading how we make the pronunciation, how we are doing those words in working together. So these are the helpful guide. So yeah, this is the one. After that, like accept the mistake. Right? So the return is then if you made a mistake, so please like accept that mistake. If you know that every sentence you made a mistake, yeah, I did that mistake. So year after I do that mistake. Yeah, you should learn the mistake, right? So in your mind you were repeatedly some of the mistake you did. See in your mind that go through like why I made that mistake. So just repeatedly asking in your mind. So these are the important facts. After that, you thinking like, yeah, I did that mistake. So hereafter, I am not given that mistake. So these are the important guys. And also, I let you know like I am also speaking so much of this content. So hereafter, I am speaking the story. Yesterday, I literally before the week I realized, guys, if I speaking the story, yeah, I can speak better English. So this is the important, guys. So in this video, we're gonna see like how we are make the fluency, how we are speaking the communication skill, the stranger, how we approach the place. So this is the important, guys. Yeah, we can the practice is kind of the that yeah you can speak easily. So in this video, we're gonna discuss. So thanks for the watching. If you like this video, so please like me and share with your friends and subscribe my channel, guys. And also, if you know like any kind of the video, so please let me in the comment section. I will create the video. And also, so thanks for the watching repeatedly. So we're gonna see next video. So don't wait for the perfect time, guys. So please start now. Yeah, we can do it. So we are together learning the English. Okay, thank you.